Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Today I'm going to show you how I decorated the lanterns in our living room. Now Kenya's Decor Corner normally does a series all year long celebrating decorating lanterns. This is not a part of our collaboration, but I'm going to tag it anyway. Kenya, hi! Love you so much. So Kenya, this one is for you, a tribute to Kenya's Decor Corner, guys. Let's go ahead and go to work. Okay, now let's get started. These are two lanterns here. One came from Home Goods last year. The other one came from At Home a couple of years ago. So that's the history of the lanterns. You want to begin by cleaning your lanterns, getting rid of all dust or any debris that's on them. And then you want to attach your ribbon. Now this is old ribbon and I have a tote of scrap ribbon. So this is pretty easy to do. You can just pull them all together, shape your bows, and then attach them to the lantern using another piece of scrap ribbon. Now, if you want to add a pop of color, just add a scrap. That's what I like to say. You never know what you're going to do with these ribbons, so just keep them around, especially if they are about 16 inches or more. Keep your scrap ribbons. I like to use these from time to time. Now, I also used some scrap ribbon that I had left over from a previous project, and it turns out that I am definitely pulling for the peacock theme this holiday season. Now, I'm using scrap ribbon to make my bow. As you can see, there are several pieces here, and then a smaller piece that's about 16 inches is being folded into the mix to give me that extra wow factor. Now I want my ribbon tails to be one side long, one side short. Then take another piece of scrap ribbon and tie the entire bundle to the top of the lantern. My first idea for the wow factor was to add picks to the ribbon. The first one has a clip on the bottom of it, so it clips right to the ribbon. The other one, well, I just had to cut, make it a little bit shorter, and I just inserted it inside the ribbon. So I really love the addition. It gave it that wow factor. Now, on this particular view, you only see one clip, but I added the other one. I also wanted to dazzle up the latch of the lantern a little bit. So I'm taking an ornament and I'm using an ornament hook to attach it to the lantern's latch. That was pretty easy to do. Just grab your pliers, insert the wire into the opening of the ornament, twist it around a few times, and then twist the wire that's sticking out around and around and around. That's going to turn into your hook, and then there you have it. You can now insert your vertical ornament into the latch. And I would love to see some of you guys experiment with this a little differently. You could also use jewelry or even ornament pieces that you see that are just absolutely stunning, like snowflakes and the crystals. This would be beautiful on any of your lanterns out there. And I can't wait to continue this process again and again and again. Now, I actually was filming the first hook off screen. I didn't realize I wasn't in camera view, so that's why you see two hooks here, but only one of them is going to remain. Are you like me with a drawer full of these LED candles? And some of them are 3 hours or 5 hours when they're on the automatic. Well, label them on the bottom with a Sharpie. 5 hours, 3 hours, and then the type of battery. I have some that use AAA and some that use AA's. So I just do 3A or 2A and then the number 5 or the number 3. So they're all together and I can just grab them and go. I love it. I think the best feature of this process is the ornaments that are hanging on the latch. It just gave it that elegance, you know? And I would love to see those of you who are doing red and white do red and white with the ornaments, with the beads. Go into your jewelry sections with Michael's, Hobby Lobby. You will see some beautiful things there, or even some of these beautiful Christmas ornaments that are just long and bedazzled like crazy. So have fun with this. The candles were a little short, guys, so I decided to take on another option for those. I am using some plaques that were left over from a previous project and to just give them a little bit of elevation so they're not so sunken or looking like they're way, way, way too short. At least not as short as they actually are. And that's basically it. These lanterns are dressed and ready to go on the mantle.
Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope you like just seeing how things work out in my mind. I want to thank you so much for watching. And as always, stay in prayer. And I got to add this one, wear a mask and stay safe out there. See you next time.